So guys, till now I have cleared 6 rounds of interview of different airlines and 1 cabin crew interview of Go Air. Till now I have 40 plus selection with the span of 4 months. So guys, अगर आप भी बनना चाहते हैं एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा, so ज्वाइन कीजिए मेरा क्रैश कोर्स ज्वाइन करने से पहले 2 प्लेलिस्ट जरूर देखिए, एक है इंटरव्यू कंटेंट और दूसरा सेलेक्टेड सब्सक्राइबर.
So what I've decided is that to make a English video also. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Life, and if you are new in my channel, do subscribe my channel. And few days before our channel reached a family member of 3k subscriber. So if you are new, do like, share and subscribe. And there's one more thing, if you are new in my channel, do watch the 2 playlists. First is interview content and second is selected subscriber. 50% of the crash course is available free, but the main 50% of the crash course which will be helping you to crack the airlines interview, that will be conducted by me in Google Meet only. So guys, the new crash course is going to start from July. So the main thing is that what are the things will be available in that crash course. So guys, the first thing which will be available is that crash course will be of the next 15 days. In that next 15 days, first day will be an induction program in which I will be talking to you, right? I will be taking a small counseling for you, in which I will be suggesting you that which airlines you should join, in which I will be also suggesting that which department you should join, and according to your suitability and according to your compatibility, which department you should join and which place you should go for. In second day, I used to teach some situational based questions which plays a very important role when it comes to airlines industry interview. Now the third day is also the same situational based question which I used to ask and which I used to teach, that how to reply to interview when they ask this kind of situational based question, because situational based question is a tactic kind of question which they used to ask candidates so that they can check many more things, that either this candidate is suitable to become a ground staff or cabin crew, not, right? So after 3 days, 4 day, I used to tell how you should reply interview when they ask certain set of questions. I have a telegram group. I have a paid telegram group. For example, if you join the crash course, I made you join my paid telegram group also. I have written all the notes made by me, and there are some notes of the selected subscribers also. You can borrow the answers from there and you can easily crack the interview. I will tell you how to respond, what to respond, and what kind of response the interview is looking for, right? Many people say I do this, I do that, but I know that what interview is looking for, and I know that what type of response does interview expect from a candidate, right? So this is what I will tell you. I will be making your CV and I will tell you the importance of CV, because CV plays a very important role. If you are not having a proper CV, your CV might not get shortlisted and you might not be able to reach the interview venue, because CV plays a very important role. When it comes to interview, 60% role is played by CV and 40% role is played by you. Both plays a very important role. I will be also making you watch some video lectures and give you brief that how does an airport work, what will be the duty of customer service, what will be the duty of cabin crew, each and everything in a very detailed, that what are the duties and about cabin crew, ground staff, security staff, and customer service staff, RAM staff, each and everyone. I have a separate set of videos for all of them. Now coming to the next thing is that which we'll be doing in the crash course is I will be telling what to reply, what not to reply, how to fill the gap which is mentioned in CV, and I will also tell you that where you are getting wrong, what you can improve, and how you can crack the interview. So guys, this was some of the glimpse of my crash course, and there are many more things which I haven't told here. That thing will be told by me once you join the crash course, right? So be relaxed. Now the crash course is available in both the languages, English and Hindi, and the classes will be conducted in Google Meet. So be relaxed, and no one can stop you to join the cabin crew as well as ground staff. So know that I have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew interview, and I have a long journey in airlines. So I know very well what kind of things that the airlines people are looking for. I give assurance that once you join the crash course, you will definitely gonna join airlines and you will definitely gonna clear the interview of any airlines in the world, because parameters are same, right? So as soon as the new airline Jet Airways coming soon, so in future also we will be going to start a new crash course on the Jet Airways also. So if you join the crash course, it will be useful for all the airlines, right? With one crash course you can crack the interview of any kind of airlines, any airlines in the world. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message in my number 79950844, which is mentioned in the sideways. And I also take mock interviews. So guys, there is no chance that you will not learn anything from this crash course, and better than wasting money here and there in aviation academies, big academies. They used to charge 1,50,000 for they used to charge 1,50,000 for all this kind of things. They used to charge 80,000, 90,000, a big amount for all this kind of things. I just charge 2,000 rupees to become a ground staff in airlines, and for that also I used to coach people properly in a very advanced, in a very scientific manner, from basic to advanced, so that they crack the interview in one single attempt. So till now guys, we have 42 plus selection, and all the people are working in airlines and some are waiting for the mail. There might one question arises in your mind that what are the next 62 students doing? So guys, they all people are waiting for the vacancy. When the vacancy will come, they will also get selected. As this was all about the crash course, and that crash course is not free, it's paid. Charge 2,000 rupees, and if you're seriously interested, then do join the crash course. And if you want to become a ground staff, and if you want to become a cabin crew, I have the crash course for both the people in English as well as Hindi. Don't make a language as a barrier, right? And I have saw that many people are facing problem. So guys, this was all about the new crash course starting from 1 July, and the classes will be conducted in Google Meet. I will be making your CV, and I will be coaching you in a very professional way in Google Meet. So guys, this was all about my crash course, and if you're interested, if you want to join aviation industry, if you want to join ground staff, if you want to join cabin crew with a very less amount of fee, that is 2,000 rupees and 2,500, and if you want to learn something, if you want to coach yourself professionally with a very less amount of fee, do join the crash course starting from 1 July. And from now, as soon as the video is released, the admission begins for the crash course. For joining, send a WhatsApp message in my number, which is displayed at the side. So guys, this was all about crash course, and thanks a lot for supporting us, and thanks a lot for showing good support, so that today we have reached a family of 3K subscribers. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, namaskar, and Jai Hind to all. Bye bye everyone.